Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be covering how to make a cool pixelation effect in Unity 2D and 3D. So the first thing we want to do is add a render texture. To do that, what we need to do is go over to Project and right click, go over to Create and add a render texture. Now you can call this whatever you want. I'm going to call it Pixel Texture. And with our pixel texture selected, what we can do in the inspector is change our size of the texture. So I'm going to go for 142 by 80. On filter mode, we want to set from bilinear to point. That sharpens out all of the pixels. And what we can do is now we can go over to our main camera and get our pixel texture and drag that onto our target texture. Now, if you get this message, don't worry. All we need to do is go over to the three dots up here and untick the warn if no cameras are rendering. What we can then do is go over to our hierarchy, right click, go to UI and add a raw image. On this raw image, we can then drag our pixel texture onto the texture of the raw image, and we can go over to our anchors, hold Alt and select the one in the bottom right. We now have a pixelation effect in Unity. If you guys found this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.